What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Dogecoin today. As you can see, we're starting to come back away from that resistance that we were stuck at, that 18% resistance. And now Dogecoin is actually showing a chance of reversal. So anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And let me know in the comment section what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. Now, so for a few days now, we've been seeing Dogecoin just riding right below this 18-cent resistance. Like, we could not break 18 cents for anything. Now, remember, the green areas are supply and demand showing more demand, and then the red areas are demand showing less demand. So what you're seeing here is that now we're slowly trending towards this green area at 16 cents, showing that we have less demand, pretty much around 1640, 1620. So we're slowly but surely trending down to there. So pretty much what happens when we see this price is we will actually have a chance for reversal. We'll have another uptrend. We'll try to get back up to 17 cents, possibly try to break 18 cents again. If we can't break that, then we'll end up trickling down here to this 14 cents area from 1440 all the way down to 13 cents. Now, we are seeing right now that Dogecoin was having huge problems trying to break out, literally. And so inside of our little consolidation period here, you see we tried to break out, but since we couldn't, now we're going down on the downtrend as soon as we come out of this consolidation. So you're definitely seeing the results of what's happening in an overall crypto market taking control of what's happening in Dogecoin now. So when you look over here, you see Bitcoin now at $48,347,000. Yeah, that's a lot. So $48,347. That's a lot. And then over here, you see that Bitcoin down about 4.1% in the last 24 hours. Seeing Ethereum down to 4.9% in the last 24 hours. Seeing everything pretty much down. So inevitably, Dogecoin would follow and also go down and lose some market cap. So we're seeing everything inside the overall crypto market losing its recoveries. So we tried to recover for the past few days, but now that we couldn't recover, you're seeing these losses inside the crypto market. But what you're also seeing is the market control. So the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 100%, showing that Dogecoin is 100% bearish. So that's also short term, by the way. When I say 100% bearish, that's 100% bearish in the short term. But looking at the dark pools and institutional interest, this pretty much shows us when institutional investors are more likely to hop into Dogecoin or when large whales are more likely to hop in. So right now, where we had our chance of reversal, or not a chance, yeah, our chance of reversal here, we had high activity expected of institutional investors. So when it says high activity right here around 17 cents, if we can't break 18 cents, it could be a high activity of selling or high activity of buying. So what we're seeing here is the high activity of selling from large whales. So that's what we're seeing off of these charts and these indicators. You can see over here on the oscillator, though, we are starting to form some green areas here, meaning that we're probably about to have some more demand, some more buying coming in for Dogecoin. But down here, you can also see around 17 cents flat, 16.95, somewhere around there. We're supposed to have moderate activity. So when we hit that area, we may have another rise in price action here with Dogecoin. And then there's going to be lower activity expected around 16 cents. And that's pretty much right before we hit our green area of supply and demand, which will probably end up having an uptrend there. So we have a lot going on here for Dogecoin. I just want to see the crypto market no longer having FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, because there's so much FUD going on in the crypto market. And speaking of FUD, there's a lot of FUD going on in Dogecoin as well, which is also causing Dogecoin to lose some of its popularity. So over here, you can see meme coin frenzy fades as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu drop out of top 10 cryptos. A lot of people love to talk about Dogecoin when it's down. So I'm seeing this a lot. I always talk about Dogecoin in a good light, whether it's up or whether it's down. I'm still bullish with Dogecoin. I still like Dogecoin. Dogecoin is one of the first cryptos that I made a bunch of money off of. So I'm still going to be with Dogecoin for life. Now, if you look over here, it says, as Dogecoin's market capitalization plunges, meme coins have dropped out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Dog-themed crypto, hamster coin, or something like that. Our dog-themed cryptos are getting replaced by stuff like hamster coin, which got 75% overnight because some guy in the government, I forgot his name, but he just mentioned a bunch of stupid stuff, talking about why he doesn't like cryptos, because after Dogecoin, then it's hamster coin. And then he was like, what about something else coin? Like, I don't know. He did not know anything about crypto, and he just sounded dumb. But anyways, over here you can see Dogecoin and Shiba Inu drop out of the top 10 cryptos. So now people are starting to say Doge is dying and stuff like that. So I don't think Doge is dying. I just think that the social media popularity is definitely dropping. Over here you can see Hamster Coin posting nearly 70% gains overnight, while Sharp High's price has increased 118%. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have lost their social dominance and are being replaced by meme coins like Hamster and Sharp High, or Sharpie, I guess. So alongside the fading meme coin frenzy, altcoins are making a comeback in the ongoing bull run. And also, if you look over here, you see Bitcoin's losing its dominance. Bitcoin dominance used to be at like 42%. Now it's only at 38.1% and Ethereum at 20.7%. So yeah, Bitcoin is becoming less and less dominant every single day inside the crypto market. So we're going to start seeing altcoins taking over. That's going to be really good because I'm more invested in altcoins than Bitcoin. And actually, I really don't have much in Bitcoin at all. But anyways, over here you see what I was talking about earlier about Hamster Coin going up 71%, about the U.S. Senator Brad Sherman suggesting it could have replaced Dogecoin. So it was really just a joke. And then, he was speaking about cryptos, but he did not know anything about it, so at all. Anyways, Ham became popular after U.S. Senator Brad Sherman mentioned the coin, saying it could replace Doge. But yeah, we could get the spotlight back for Dogecoin, but right now we just gotta make a comeback. And after a comeback, we are predicted to bounce. They're saying 30 cents as it forms a triple bottom. Now, if we were to bounce all the way up to 30 cents or 24 cents or whatever, like, we would need lots of demand for Dogecoin. We would need lots of support, lots of momentum. Now, not only are we kind of losing some of our social dominance here with Dogecoin, if you go over here and you look at the Google Trends, you can see when we're at our highest highs, Elon Musk was talking about us, right? We were inside Saturday Night Live. We were being talked about every day, everywhere. There was Doge Day 420. Everyone was talking about Dogecoin. It was the hottest thing out. So now that you're seeing this, you're seeing there's less talk about Dogecoin, way less talk. Dogecoin now being mentioned very, very few times or around. Like, anyways, you even look at the last 30 days, you can still see Dogecoin is, it's very moderate if you look at it for the last 30 days. But when you compare it to the last 12 months, it's very low to what we used to have, meaning that we're losing out on a lot of market cap. We're losing out on a lot of volume. So there's a lot less people putting money into Doge. So when those people come back, we're definitely going to see a lot, or if they come back, we're going to see a lot of price action for Dogecoin. And one of the only ways that can happen is really Elon Musk. If Elon Musk starts talking about Dogecoin, you can see one of the top things looked up about Dogecoin is Saturday Night Live. So most people are either going to be looking up Shiba Inu, they're going to be looking up Dogecoin, or Saturday Night Live. That's one of the things that was, sending Dogecoin to the moon. And then Dogecoin getting on Coinbase, Dogecoin commercials. But now we don't have as much stuff like that going on in social media. A lot of people aren't talking about Dogecoin like that. So it's going to be hard for us to get that social dominance back. But yeah, that's one of the things also keeping us down. We were not able to pass that 18-cent resistance for anything. So that's one of the things that's keeping us from passing that resistance. Now, I went over this briefly yesterday, but Dogecoin bears leave the scene as Doge rises towards 24 cents. I guess they spoke too soon because, as you can see, Dogecoin bears are now coming back. We're getting more selling. Now we're back at 100% for the bears. And if you look over here at Dogecoin's price, you can see we're actually down 3.1% in the last 24 hours, 16% in the last 7 days, 19% in the last 14 days, 37% in the last 30 days. So the bears are still here. I guess they're not here as widespread as they once were. But you're still seeing people, coming in, still making their daily gains on Dogecoin, doing day trades, swing trades. But a lot of people, there are a lot of people staying in for the long term. But there's a lot of big whales like this that come in just to make a quick buck and get out quick. So this Dogecoin whale came in $65.8 million. Now they're at 64.9, so they're probably not going to sell until they get a good profit. But you're seeing these Dogecoin whales like this buying the dip consistently. Now this Dogecoin whale bought yesterday 2.7 million. They're going to keep buying more and more every single day. So we got whales like that, and then we got whales like this that just come in with a large one-time purchase, probably just hoping to make some money, making some profit off of a flip here with Dogecoin. But yeah, we're also having a lot of Dogecoin whales selling Dogecoin. So even when you look at some of the top Dogecoin whales, you see their last out. This is the second Dogecoin whale. Its last out was today. So their last sale was today. It was only like $300,000, which isn't that bad. But you're seeing them buying a lot also. You're seeing them buy a lot of Dogecoin 24/7. So we still have whales like this buying lots and lots and lots of Dogecoin. so much Dogecoin, and then you see some whales doing the same thing but with selling Dogecoin. So let's go over to this whale here. You're seeing this whale buy and sell, but it's looking like they're selling a lot more than they're buying. So as you can see, 85 million sold, $803,000 sold, 46 million sold, and then they buy like 3 million here, 3 million there. So we're seeing some, dumping going on by the whales, but we're also seeing some whales buying the dip as it dumps, almost like they're just trying to do that profit, right? Anyways, Dogecoin price is holding steady at 18 cents. But what you really now it's below 18. But what you really want to look at is the bearish viewpoint of what could happen if Dogecoin cannot hold the momentum. So, however, a continuation move lower is not entirely out of the cards. If Dogecoin price drops to 17 cents, that would cause a break of a triple bottom and return Dogecoin to the bear market on this point in figure chart. It would invalidate the long entry in any near-term bullish momentum. So 17.2, they say if we break that, then this is definitely going to be the confirmation of our next bear market. So not next bear market, but next bear run. But you can see that we did go down below that. I mean, we're at 17.25. So what you see over here, 17.2, 17.25, we're literally at that point of breaking. So you're about to see Dogecoin break down and start to go back on the downtrend, to be honest. We were trading sideways for a little while, but now it's back to the downtrend. So you're going to see it hit this supply and demand more than likely very soon. But anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over this, let you all know what I'm seeing here in Dogecoin. I just noticed something with Dogecoin with its social media presence and how it correlates with our price. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the bottle. I'll go link in the description. Use a discount code Marsellis for 25% off. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.